Tri-State Bobcat in Hudson, Wisconsin. Here we go with a John Deere 6675 skid steer loader. It's a one-owner trade-in, open ROPS, real nice machine with 1,800 hours on it. 45 horse, Deere power. We got the New Holland boom on it, so this is actually a good Deere. Nice stable machine with a long wheelbase and a low center of gravity, so you'll like the way this machine handles. Original paint. All in all, a well-maintained machine. Service pretty straightforward on it. We got our air filter, fuel fill. Everything pretty accessible on it. Side cover to remove to get at the battery. It's a vertical lift boom. The boom is in great condition. The tires are in excellent condition. Bobcat plate nice and tight. It does come with a bucket. Got to buckle up on this rig to start it. Hours show 181. Our meter was replaced at 1,700 hours. The bucket itself got a little wear on the front cutting edge there. Still very serviceable. The bottom's good on the bucket. Machine runs nice. Give Jeff a call, 715-781-3940 on this John Deere 6675. 1,800 hours. It's a 45 horse Deere. It's got a 2,000 pound tipping load. We got 15 gallon per minute at the flat face couplers, so no problem running post hole digger, grapple, pretty much anything you need to run with standard flow. Weighs in at 5385. It's an easy tow with your 3/4 ton truck. Give Jeff a call, 715-781-3940 on this John Deere 6675. Value priced, nice clean one owner machine. Tri-State Bobcat, Hudson, Wisconsin. We're just east of Minneapolis and St. Paul, Minnesota on Freeway 94 at Exit 4. You'll find us on the northeast corner of the exchange. Tri-State Bobcat, Hudson, Wisconsin, 715-781-3940. Thank you.